Welcome to Brandt, South Dakota, a peaceful prairie gem in Deuel County where community, heritage, and wide open skies define small town living. With roots going back to the 1880s and a population of just over 100 friendly neighbors, Brandt brings that classic South Dakota small town feel to life each and every day. Let's check it out.
Here in Brandt, there's a sense of connection that's hard to find anywhere else. Quiet streets, familiar faces, the kind of place where folks stop to say hello, wave, and really know their neighbors. A chance to enjoy the charm of this community as life here moves at its own comfortable pace. Brandt's rich history is woven into every corner. From its founding in the 1880s, named after Reverend P.O. Brandt, to today's close-knit community living just miles from I-29 and convenient to larger cities like Watertown, Brookings, and Sioux Falls. You get the best of country peace with easy access to city amenities. And speaking of home, welcome to 304 3rd Street South, a stunning residence that captures both comfort and functionality. This well-cared-for home brings modern updates and timeless appeal together on a generous lot with room for gardens, outdoor living, and memory-making summers. The 2-stall detached garage is great for your vehicles and storage, all with a peaceful backdrop of small-town life. Inside, beautiful hardwood floors and classic craftsmanship give way to updated spaces you'll love. The modern kitchen flows into comfortable, practical rooms, perfect for everyday living or hosting friends and family. With 4 bedrooms, one of them including the main level laundry, and 2 bathrooms, this home balances utility and style. Thoughtful updates throughout provide today's conveniences without losing the character that makes homes like this so special. Back outside, Brandt's natural beauty surrounds you. Open skies, rolling fields, and a pace of life that lets you breathe a little deeper each day.
So from its welcoming neighborhoods to close-knit community vibes, Brandt offers a unique opportunity to live your best life in South Dakota. At 304 3rd Street South, you found a home that's more than just a place to live, it's a place to belong. We're the Home Team 605. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.